Hello everyone, it's midnight right here in Naga City and welcome to our special coverage on tropical depression, the newly formed tropical depression Quinta. That's the Filipino name given by Pag-asa for this Saturday, October 24, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com. This is your host, Mike Padua. And we'll be reporting now the latest on this system. This is just a quick video so that it won't be long. So let's begin with our satellite animation. So here comes the storm right now forming to the east of the Philippines. It's quite a baby system right now, but we expect it to become a little larger when it reaches east of Samar or east of Bicol region in the coming couple of days. While we have here full-blown typhoon, full-blown typhoon approaching Hainan. That's once Pipito, international name Saudel. So it's moving slowly, but once it weakens, the system will rapidly accelerate towards the West Philippine Sea, lessening the threat of increasing wind speeds of the system. But we are still alert for possible rapid intensification once it reaches the warm waters of Albay Gulf or Lagonoy Gulf. So we expect the system to intensify, but let's hope and pray it will just be a minimal storm. So here's the latest from windy.com UMETSAT. You can clearly see here using the night vision visible satellite animation. The storm is slowly organizing, although for the past few hours it was affected by the diurnal process of the atmosphere. And this is the blue image, blue animation, so that you can see clearly the thunderstorm clouds. Right now we have lots of localized thunderstorms across the Philippine Islands and some troughing from this tropical depression, Quinta. And you can clearly see that the rain bands of Quinta is still developing, not yet enormous. And let's take a look at our Typhoon 2000 zoom in storm track number 1, which we issued around 5 p.m. So this is the forecast track. We forecasted the winds to be around 85 to 100 kph, and just a strong tropical, near to a severe tropical storm. And it is expected to make landfall in the vicinity of Catanduanes around midnight or late in the evening of Sunday, and it will pass very close to Naga City around 1 to 2 a.m. in the morning on Monday. So please take all necessary precautions. This is the area of uncertainty, so the storm might track here or here, so anything is possible. But whenever the passage or the path of this storm, we expect some heavy rainfall that will occur, since the forecast models are suggesting that it will become a rather compact system. It's small, but it will be a destructive system, since once the system is more compact, the more intense are the rainfall plus the winds. So let's hope it won't rapidly intensify. That's the nature of very small systems. It rapidly intensify in a span of 6 to 12 hours before making landfall. So I hope it won't happen. And the forecast speed, once it reaches Bicol region, it will increase from 22 to 26 kph because of the disappearance of Typhoon Saudel over the South China Sea, because right now it's having some traffic. That's why the system here,
12 o'clock.
That's why the system here is somewhat slow as of this time, but it will accelerate as time goes by. So here's the Typhoon global models. As you can see here, the American and the European model, the violet and the maroon one respectively, shows a track towards Camarines Sur and Catanduanes, while the Canadian and the US Navy model shows a track that will pass over Dait Camarines Norte and Metro Manila, while this one is the UK Met, showing a track towards Camarines Sur and into Metro Manila as well, while the most reliable one, the GFS and the ECMWF, shows Caranduanes and Camarines provinces towards Mindoro in the next 2 to 3 days. So we are going to observe this one based on what the tracks are suggesting. Let's hope and pray that it will not be a strong weather system. So we'll keep you updated in the coming days. In the next maybe in just 12 hours we'll be returning again by Saturday evening, later this evening or later this afternoon, and we'll give you the quick update. So please prepare for possible heavy rains and gusty winds, and please take all necessary precautions, and we'll be returning again here at our YouTube channel. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Sleep tight, and let's all pray that the storm won't have serious impact to our region. Thank you for watching our channel.